What's going on, everyone? Thank you for returning back to the channel. If you are new to the channel, guys, my name is Miguel. I go by Ebay Resales here on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. In today's video, we're going to be doing the unboxing from the last shopping spree video. If you haven't checked out that video will show you what's currently in the Polo Ralph Lauren factory outlet stores. That one is specifically in the city of Cabazon, California. All right. So from that shopping spree video, guys, we were able to come out with 2 bags full of items. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys everything that I picked up. The majority of this stuff is going to be personal, but I did get some stuff to resell. And the total came out to about $423 after taxes. So with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and start with the first bag. All of these items were from the clearance section. I want to preface this with saying that clearance had red tags, which means they were already marked down. Plus, I was able to get 25% off additional discount from the clearance section. On top of that, I was able to apply my 25% coupon code that I got from Polo Connect. And then on top of that, I was also able to apply my military or veteran discount, which is an additional 10%. All these items, after all the discounts, came down to about half the lowest ticketed price. So this one right here was marked $75, so it came down to about 37 bucks. This is a women's sweater, the big old Polo spell out on the back, and this one has a pretty cool patch right here on the chest. 25% additional from clearance, 25% discount coupon code, and then 10% off. But this one is actually going to be for my wife. I really like this one for her. So that's going to be a personal one for my wife. This one is the equestrian polo shirt. As you can see, the equestrian embroidering. This one is a double XL. What makes this one cool, guys, is the embroidering in the back. This one is so cool. Check this out. This is what's called the 3 horsemen in the polo community, but it is all embroidered. Look how nice that is. Very detailed. Once again, after all the coupons, this is coming out to half that price. So this shirt came down to 30 bucks. This one online, I'll probably post it for about 75 to 85 bucks. Next item here is another sweater. This one's actually a hoodie, but it comes in that Aztec or Navajo pattern. This is a very thick material, guys. Very nice sweater. It just happens to be in the women's section. So this is one of those that kind of fits like the oversized style. This one's also gonna be one for my wife. Once again, also on clearance. Price. That's the clearance price. Yeah, so that came down from 85 to about 43 bucks or so. Next item here, here's a Polo rugby. Ralph Lauren spell out in the front, big pony, and a very nice patch right here. But this one has a pretty cool color blocking on it. From the last unboxing, you'll see that I ended up keeping one. This was priced to $69.99, guys. So 70 bucks, minus all the discounts, it came down to 35 bucks. This one should sell for close to 100 bucks. If anybody is interested in any of my items, guys, or even in my store, my eBay store or Poshmark store, just hit me up, guys. I'll be able to give you guys better deals than what is listed on my eBay store. But we'll just have to work it out outside of eBay because eBay charges me fees. So the next item here, guys, is a double RL flannel long sleeve. This one is pretty special, I guess. It was discounted. I believe it's originally over 200 bucks. But guys, look at that markdown price. This was marked down to $100 on clearance. This is the cheapest that I've ever seen any double RL item. 100 bucks. On top of that, I was also able to apply the 25% additional off for clearance items. On top of that, my 25% discount coupon and my military discount. But this is crazy on a double RL item. So go ahead and check out your factory outlet, guys. If you guys are fans of the double RL brand or the double RL line from Ralph Lauren, very hard to acquire anything at a really great price. This is going to be a personal item for sure. You can't even find double RL for this type of price, or a very nice item at that, used for 50 bucks, yet alone brand new. And shout out to one of the subscribers here, or one of the followers here on the channel. He was actually going to hook me up on one of these, but I kind of passed on it because I've never really had one of these hats, so I didn't know how it was going to fit. So I believe it's Olvin. I'm going to put your information down below if you guys want to follow him. He has a pretty good amount of followers on Instagram. And he hit me up about these. I thought these were only either online or, on resale sites. But I guess they brought them back. It's a 5-panel hat, but it has this embroidered crest on here. And this is going to be perfect for the summertime. Cool material. The strap back in the back. This is the first time I've seen it, but it was marked down on clearance. So 45 bucks. Unfortunately, accessories, or this is considered an accessory, so they don't apply the additional discount on accessories. But I was able to apply the 25% discount from Polo Connect, and I was also able to apply my 10% military discount. So after that, it brought this one down to 30 bucks, or every single hat down to 30 bucks. Olvin, you're gonna give it to me for 40 bucks. I'm sorry, I had to pass. But once again, it wasn't for the price. The price was a reasonable price. I appreciate it, man. And thank you. Olvin was my very first follower purchase. I hooked him up with a very cool paint splatter pair of shorts. And man, I appreciate your business. And I believe he was happy because the package showed up very fast. I take pride in shipping out all my items in a very fast manner, guys. So don't hesitate to reach out to me. Let me know which items you may be interested from my store or any of my videos. If I still have it, we'll be able to work out a deal. But once again, man, thank you very much. I have not been to the stores in a pretty good minute, a couple of weeks. So I wasn't aware that these were in there. And for this price, guys, this is a super steal. 30 bucks. These were selling for well over 85 to 110 bucks, somewhere around that range. I tried it on. Actually, let me show you guys how it fits. This one doesn't fit like the typical big bill polo hats that look funny on my head. So I will be keeping one of these for the summer. If anybody's interested, hit me up. I appreciate the information. So as soon as I saw them, I was surprised because I wasn't expecting them to be there. But thank you once again. Yeah, so I got 5. The reason I get 5, or am able to get 5, is because 5 is the limit that they set for any single item. The very last item, guys, is something that you guys don't really see me unbox in this channel, but I will be unboxing a whole lot more of these because I believe that Polo or Ralph Lauren has been stepping up their shoe game, and I've been eyeing these for like the past year and a half, but they were just too pricey at those times. Let me show you guys the price. So pretty much 65 bucks on clearance, right? Once again, these are also considered an accessory, so no additional discount on those for clearance. But I was able to apply the 25% Polo Connect discount, and on top of that, my military discount. So I believe they may have came down to about 40 something bucks, 47 bucks or so. I will have to do its own separate review video because I just think that they're so cool. I'm pretty sure if you guys have been following me, you guys have been seeing these in those shopping spree videos. So these are pretty much the same style of the Chuck Taylors. The build quality feels really good, guys. Canvas material. The sole feels really nice and heavy. But once again, I'll be doing a separate video on these. Alright guys, so that pretty much concludes this haul video. Once again, this whole shopping spree ended up costing me about 423 bucks. Thank you again for checking out the content. If you're currently not subscribed to the channel, guys, go ahead and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.